Let's bring in Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures. He's located in Chicago and discuss what we're witnessing here. As we start out the week, Oliver, we got off to a pretty robust start, but things are fading away fast. How come?
Yeah, we see some positive prices on the screen, but the overall price action from this morning's 8:30 Central Time open is certainly disappointing. I would have liked to see a little bit more follow through with some of these markets, and that's not to say we can't get that later on in the week, but early this morning it's evident that long liquidation continues to be the theme from the funds, and we saw that reported again in Friday's Commitment of Traders report. Managed money were net sellers of about 26,000 contracts. That shrinks their net long position to about 125,000 contracts. But if you're looking for a silver lining in that fund flow, it would be the fact that a lot of this selling pressure is just long liquidation. It's not managed money flipping from long to short. It's not to say that can't happen, but it's a good thing that isn't happening right now because it certainly could be a lot uglier. There are some headline risks that we're keeping an eye out going forward. Obviously, Russia-Ukraine is going to be a big one, and weather as well, as we start to get some crop tours going here in the next several weeks throughout the Corn Belt to get a better idea what the national average is looking like.
So have you seen any new developments in any changes in the longer range weather forecasts for the Corn Belt?
Well, we have gotten a little bit of a break. We're getting some cooler, wetter forecasts in the radar for a lot of the Great Plains and the Corn Belt. So that maybe is priced into the market a little bit. We're starting to get those forecasts out last week. That may have pressured things. But I think all in all, the big headline risk here is going to be Russia and Ukraine. Obviously, they inked that deal on Friday. Saturday, we woke up and we know that there were some missiles targeted in Odessa. Doesn't sound like anything major was hit as far as exports in their grain facility goes, but that certainly puts a big question mark on how viable this deal is going to be going forward.